So for the people that's here, most of y'all might know, but for the ones that don't, a lot of people have been trying to redirect their audience to support another creator's live, and a lot of creators have not had their redirect turned on. So to get that turned on, you want to come to your YouTube studio, and if you're on the home page of YouTube, and I'm just going to go back so you can see the process and walk through it with me. If you're on YouTube.com, you're going to go over here to your profile icon. You're going to click it. It's going to pop up another menu. You're going to scroll down to the YouTube studio, hit enter. You're going to, once you get to the dashboard, you're going to go down to settings on the left at the bottom. You're going to click settings. And then you're going to go to community moderation. And then you're going to go to the user tab, user management tab. You're going to click that, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you at the live redirect users section. So in this section, as a content creator, you want to make sure that you have both of these checked. So if anybody decide that they want to send over their live to your channel so you can get support, that it'll be available for them to do so. Because if you don't have these checked and they try to search for you, either they're not going to find you or they can't redirect their crowd. Now, one of the things that you want to keep in mind, that as a person that's redirecting a live stream, it says that you have to have 1K subscribers. But if somebody, is anybody going live tonight? Is anybody going live tonight? Probably like in the next 10 to 20 minutes. Because if so, I can see if I can go through the process of redirecting this live over to their live. And just so I can demonstrate the full process of how it's done. But let me go through these steps just until I see if anybody else is going. So once you have these two selected, you're just going to make sure that you hit the save button. So I hit save, which I didn't make any changes, so I really didn't have to make no save. But you will if you had to check both of them. So when you do that and you're in your, I feel like I'm missing something, but okay. So if you're in your live stream, and normally you'll see a screen like this, and let me just pull over my real one so y'all can see. I just have so many tabs, I'll be all over the place. Okay, so oh, it make you want to make all kind of content. Okay, thank you for supporting Anthony's. Okay, so if you are in your live stream and you want to send over your audience to someone else, you're gonna go to your stream setting tabs. And if y'all don't know how to get here, you can get here from your YouTube. Let me go back and show you how to get here, because a lot of people are not sure on how to do that. So there's a few ways that you can do it. So you can go to your content in the YouTube studio. Once you get to the content, you're going to go to live stream tab. And then at the top, if you're currently live, you will see your top 2 lives here. And to get to the control room, you're going to just hit this little, the one I'm got my mouse by. That's how you get to your live control room, and this is the live control room when you hit it. So when you're in here, you're gonna go to your settings tab. You're gonna go over to edit, where you edit the title and the description, add your tags and everything. You're gonna click that, and then when you click that, you're gonna go to the customization tab, and then you're gonna scroll down and hit. You already have it for reaction. Oh, that's not even it. Sorry, y'all. Ignore that. You're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom and hit add under redirect. And then when you hit add, you can either search your own videos, and you can only send your live stream to either a premiere or either a live stream. You cannot send them to a video that you have on your channel, right? So if you're not trying to send them to yourself, you're gonna go over here to this search box where it says search videos for other channels. So if you're not aware of this off hand of who is live or who you want to send them to, you can just click this box, and then it's gonna pop up everybody live or everybody that has something coming up in the near future, right? But since we currently live now, and you want to, you didn't know this part, Novelty? Yes, that's another way of supporting content creators, especially like when you're networking and stuff, is sending your live, especially for bigger content creators. And I guess that's why they say that you have to have 1K subscribers to send them over. But I'm finna see if I can do it just for the giggles. But it's let me go through so much, but then I never went past this part. So we finna see. Welcome in, Lisa. Welcome in. Okay, so if you want to send it to everybody else, so you see there's two different search boxes. This is for you, your videos or your, sorry, your lives or your premieres, your premieres, and this search box is for you to look for someone else. Okay, so at the moment, right here, you see that I have about 9 people that is currently live, and then there's a few that's coming up live. So since my live will be ending soon, I will try to pick someone, and since since we're trying to network, I am going to try to send y'all over to the source. Type of one if y'all know who the source is. So, and I'm just gonna do it just to see if I can do it. But before I even try, because I don't know after I hit this, what's the next buttons that I will have to do. So if y'all have any questions, please let me know. Hey MEP, welcome in. Hey Tease, welcome in. Welcome in. Yes, Nisa Boo, you've been disabled from the leaders board. You haven't been showing up on the leaders board. You remember when I used to post them on my community wall, and you used to say my your name went on there, and I used to tell you I wasn't seeing it on my side. Yeah, it haven't worked since then. So it's been a few months since you're 7, and I haven't figured out why it's not doing that. Elevated, have you but you got 1K. So you'll be able to do it. Is anybody under here under 1K subscribers that have already tried to redirect their audience to someone else? Have anybody else tried that? I don't want to hit the button and just send y'all and I don't get to say bye bye or answer y'all questions. Okay, so oh, okay. All right, Nisa. Okay, so oh, you had it turned off. Oh, Lisa, Nisa, Nisa, boo. Okay, so I'm finna ask y'all to do something. Okay, so once I hit this button, I just want y'all to when y'all get over there, we're gonna do the Me Too raid. If y'all get redirected, and the only way that your audience can be redirected automatically to the next stream that you're sending them to, they have to have it turned on by doing the steps we did to turn it on right before I got here. Okay? So if you do not have that turned on, what you will have no, you have to turn on your autoplay. I think it's autoplay, but don't quote me on that. I think it's called autoplay, not the redirect. I think that's a different option that you have to turn on. But either way, I'm gonna send y'all, and if it works, y'all will be gone from here. But when you, if you do land into the source chat, just put the Me Too raid. And that just let me know when I get there that it actually works. That is a channel that y'all can network and grow. Okay, so let's try it. But before I go, do anybody have any questions? Do y'all want me to show y'all something before I go? I don't want to just hang up the phone on y'all. Okay, so everybody good? Okay, so I'm finna go on and hit the button. All right. It might tell me I can't do it because I don't have 1K, but we finna try it. Okay, I hit it. Oh, it put it down there. I hit save. Okay. So when I hit save, do I just darn it? Let me just make sure I have it selected because I am doing two different streams. So let me just double check the horizontal view just to be sure. Yes, we're gonna go over to the source where y'all can network and meet new people. So I'm gonna scroll down, redirect. Okay, so that wouldn't have worked. No, is he go? Oh, there you go. He there. I'm gonna hit save. So now I'm gonna go to my OBS. Okay, and I'm just gonna hit in stream. And I just want to say thanks to everybody that came out and supported me and participated. Please share the live out. Please like the stream. Please leave a comment after the live end. And also, I think I already told y'all to share. And y'all have a great day. And I will see y'all most likely tomorrow or tonight in someone else's chat. But I'm heading over to Source with y'all so y'all see me there. Okay? And I'm going to end it. And y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.